This is the Subnado underwater electric scooter single motor. To power the unit on and off, there is a sliding switch at the front. The green lights indicate the battery power level. The throttle is controlled on the right-hand side grip. Double tap to engage first gear. Double tap again for second gear. Double tap again to return to first gear. When finished, rinse with fresh water and leave to dry before attempting to recharge the device. The unit must be turned off whilst charging. When the Subnado is dry, you can then unscrew the cap on the top, which will expose the USB-C charging port. It is extremely important that the unit is dry before unscrewing the cap to prevent any water accidentally entering the battery terminal. Do not charge the unit if there are signs of water inside the USB port. This could cause the unit to short circuit, burning the USB port. When we collect the unit, we will make sure that it is fully functioning and inspect that there is no signs of water in the USB port. If the unit is damaged, this will result in us retaining the damage deposit to cover the replacement. The unit is fully charged when the green light stops flashing. Once the unit is fully charged, remove the USB cable and immediately replace the screw cap into its correct position, like so. The Subnado takes approximately 2 hours to charge on 230 volts. It is highly recommended that an adult takes responsibility for charging the unit to avoid any accidents from happening. Always wear the wrist strap when in the water, as the unit does not float. The double unit Subnado requires both units to be powered on for it to work correctly. Select first gear by double-clicking the trigger. To select second gear, double-click the trigger again. When finished, make sure to turn off both units. After using the unit, make sure to rinse with fresh water and allow to dry before recharging. Do not attempt to unscrew the caps if the unit is still wet. If there are any signs of water inside the USB ports, do not charge the unit. Make sure that both units are fully charged before using the unit again. Once you remove the USB charging cable, immediately replace the screw caps.